Hello entrepreneurs, how will you know a product is worth your investment and time? In this video I'm going to show you how you can evaluate the profitability of any product, especially on Amazon. I will tell you how you can use the Amazon FBA calculator to calculate the net profits, and I will also explain you how the VAT works in the UK and how to include that in your net profit calculation, whether you are a VAT registered business or a non-VAT business. And at the end I will also share with you my Excel sheet where I have applied all the formulas that will make your life much easier. Unlike the USA, as you know, you have to take into account the extra VAT in the UK. So for the sake of better understanding, I am taking this product from the UK market as an example. Suppose you intend to sell this product on Amazon for £15 and you are getting it from the suppliers inside of the UK at £5 each. Now how much VAT will you pay for this product in total? To explain that, I'm going to switch over to this slide. We are sourcing this product at £5, but the suppliers in the UK will also charge you a 20% VAT on this price, which comes out to be £1. So in total you will pay £6 for each unit of this product. Now on Amazon, all the prices shown to the customers are inclusive of VAT, which means Amazon collects the 20% VAT from its customers on your behalf, and you are responsible to report it to the HMRC later. If you wish to know the price without the VAT included, simply divide the Amazon selling price by 120%. If you list this product on Amazon at £15, which includes the 20% VAT, which is £2.5 in this case, you will not report £2.5 to the HMRC as the VAT, because you have already paid £1.5 to the supplier earlier as a VAT. So the total amount that you will report to HMRC is the VAT on the selling price minus the VAT that you already paid to the supplier, which was £1 in our case. Hence the total amount to return to HMRC is £1.5. After all this, the total VAT that you paid is £1 plus £1.5, which is equal to 20% of the selling price of the product. Okay, I hope the VAT calculation is clear to you now. Now let's do the net profit calculation for this product. Open the FBA calculator in new tab. Just go to this link. It will ask you to sign in to your Seller Central, or you can continue as a guest for now. Right now I'm gonna evaluate a product for wholesale FBA, so I'm gonna click search Amazon catalog. Copy the ASIN from the product description section or from the URL here and search this ASIN in the FBA calculator. I'll put the link to this calculator in the description below. Now it has fetched all the product information. Here you will enter your Amazon selling price. Before I continue further, I want to mention that this is the new version of the FBA calculator that Amazon wants you to use. Amazon is expiring this old revenue calculator. The new version calculates the same way, it's just that it has some extra features like this VAT option was not available in the old version and some other options too. Now you might be thinking that why there is a difference in the FBA fee on both of these calculators. Well, this is because this new version is adding this per item selling fee that you have to pay if you don't use Amazon professional selling plan. If you have a professional selling plan and you are signed into your Amazon Seller Central, this fee will automatically go away. Here, look. See, per item fee is gone. Fulfillment cost if you are doing FBA. Now these options are added to this new version. If you get Amazon to do the labeling and any other preparation if required, you just tick the box and it will automatically include the cost. Dispatching to Amazon, leave it empty for now. This is the storage cost per unit, and Amazon will charge this fee after 1 month. For example, if all of your inventory is sold out within a month, you will not pay any storage fee. And if after 1 month, let's say you are left with only 5 units, then you will pay this storage fee on those 5 units only. Keep in mind that this fee is increased after 3 months since you sent your inventory and is further increased after 6 months. You see, Amazon doesn't encourage you to keep excess inventory in their fulfillment center. I usually try to have my inventory sold out within a month, so I'm gonna put 0 here. Also notice that Amazon is charging you differently from October through December. That's because in the fourth quarter, Amazon gets tons of workload and faces a staff shortage. Estimated VAT, I'm gonna enter 0 here and we'll take care of it further in my Excel sheet. Here you will enter your product source price. Now after adding all these fees, this is the per unit cost of this item. If we subtract this from our selling price, the profit comes out to be 4.58. I'm not sure from where this new revenue calculator is getting this 8.89. The old version shows the right difference. This 4.58 profit here is FBA profit, and you will still have to minus the VAT and shipping cost to get the net profit. To take into account all these factors, I have created this calculator by applying different Excel formulas in this sheet, which I will explain one by one. You only have to enter your values in the yellow cells and all other cells will be updated accordingly. As you can see, this sheet has 3 different calculation sections. This top section is for 20% VAT registered sellers. Non-VAT registered sellers don't report anything to HMRC, but they do pay 20% VAT on all of Amazon fees if they have not applied for the tax exemption. If you want to know how to apply for a tax exemption, just let me know in the comment section below and I will try to make a separate video on that. Okay, let's fill in our values and learn how each cell is working. Here you will enter your product source price. Amazon selling price will go here. The FBA fee of the product that you will copy from this FBA calculator will go here. In the UK, almost all the suppliers offer free shipping. So if your product needs preparation like bundling and applying FNSKU, etc., you may only have to pay for the preparation cost, if any, and the shipping cost from your prep center to the Amazon warehouse. Based on my experience for this shipping, I roughly add 0.15 pounds per pounds of product weight and 0.15 for FNSKU labelings or prep if required. So I'm going to enter 0.15 here and 0.15 here. Amazon referral fee depends upon the product category. For most categories, Amazon charges 15.33% of the selling price. So I have applied the Excel formula accordingly. You can cross-check this value from this FBA calculator. If it's different here, then you can manually enter it in this cell. This output VAT is the tax on the product selling price, which I demonstrated in this slide. Input VAT is the VAT that you paid on the source pricing of the product at the time of buying the inventory from the supplier. Account proceeds are the amount that Amazon will put into your account after deducting FBA and referral fee. So I have subtracted all these cell values from this one. This is the amount that you will pay to HMRC, as I explained in my slide earlier, which is output VAT minus input VAT. This is the estimated percentage of the returns on your orders. If you are selling a fragile glass product, change this value accordingly. I usually keep it in between 7 to 20% for such products after analyzing the listing. Now the net profit is calculated as account proceeds minus supplier cost minus prep cost minus shipping cost minus output VAT or input VAT plus HMRC, which is the same thing, minus selling price times the percentage returns that you are estimating. Keep in mind that Amazon will not return the FBA fee or the referral fee if you get a return order. That's why I have used the selling price in this formula. Similarly, the formulas for break-even and profit margins are applied. Now, have you noticed each section of this sheet is calculating a different break-even? That's because the net profit is different for each type of seller. For this section in the sheet, the profit calculation is almost the same. The difference is that the Amazon deducts the VAT on FBA and referral fee and then proceeds the remaining amount in your account. But in this case, you don't have to pay anything to HMRC. And in this last one, as you are a tax exempt, you neither have to pay any VAT on Amazon fee nor to the HMRC. Now if you wish to calculate the profit at the different selling price, you can do it easily by changing the selling price here, and all other values will be updated automatically. If you enter this break-even price, then the net profit becomes 0 for this type of seller. If you manage to get a cheaper sourcing price, then your break-even will become lower. Similarly, if your returns are lower, then you will make more profit. Okay guys, I have taken care of almost all the necessary factors in this calculator. It gives you a fairly accurate estimates of the profit. Always do your own due diligence before investing in any product. Now there are some paid tools out there in the market that will let you configure all these factors and will instantly show you the net profit right there on the Amazon listing page. For example, this tool Seller app does this for you. You can go to the setting and configure VAT and all other costs that I have included in this sheet. Now let me quickly show you how I record the product data for myself in the Excel sheet. So this is the sheet I have prepared for wholesale FBA, and I have recorded different products from different suppliers. I hid the first two columns that contain the product ASINs and the brand names. Before entering the wholesale product in this sheet, the product must meet three conditions, that are the buy box should be rotating, no Amazon dominance, no brand dominance. If the product meets these three conditions, then I will enter its Amazon product category in this column. This is the 90 days best seller rank of the product obtained from Keepa. These are the monthly sales of the product. I usually trust Helium 10 data when it comes to product sales. This MOQ is the minimum order quantity that you have to order from the supplier. This column shows the number of FBA sellers who are selling this item at the same price as you intend to sell or below that price. For example, if you intend to sell this product at £15, then all the sellers who are selling this at around £15 or lower than that are your direct competitors. This is the source price. This is your Amazon selling price. This is the 90 days price of the product from Keepa. This is your break even selling price at which you will make zero profit. This is the current buy box price. This is the selling price exclusive of VAT. This is the Amazon referral fee, the FBA fee, and this is the FBA profit copied from this FBA calculator. This is the VAT that you pay to the supplier, as I explained earlier. This is the preparation cost. This is the total shipping cost from the supplier to the Amazon warehouse. This is the amount that Amazon will put into your account after all of its fees. Net profit and ROI are calculated the same way as I explained earlier. If you are a 20% VAT registered, then this is the amount that you will pay to the HMRC, and this is the profit and ROI that you will get. Now let's quickly enter this product data for more clarification. Amazon is also present on this listing, but I'm just taking this product as an example. Let's get the ASIN from here, brand name here, and product category from here. 90 days best seller rank from Keepa here. Sales, I'll get this from Helium 10 X-ray tool. Let's count the FBA competitors. Click here to see all the other offers. Filter by Prime. Now count how many are selling at around $25.95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. These sellers are not our direct competitors, as you will not be sharing the buy box with these sellers unless they bring the listing price down. So I'm gonna put 6 here. Let's enter MOQ of 50 units. Unit price, let's enter 12 here. Selling price, 90 days price from Keepa here. The current price from here. Referral fee and FBA fee from this FBA calculator. FBA fee from here. FBA profit from here. As you can see, all other cells are updated automatically. and you can see the net profit and ROI for non-VAT sellers here and for 20% VAT sellers here. That's it, guys. If you want this Excel sheet, just drop your email address in the comment section below and I will try to send it to you within 24 hours. Do subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be uploading more videos with great tips. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you.